Okay, here I am again, redoing the assignment from the student view. My apologies for not being in the right view in the first place, so I'm going to go to the demo quiz, and here are the instructions. I've had to reset it to multiple attempts. I had it to single attempts, but since I'm redoing the quiz, I reset it to multiple attempts, so I'm going to begin the quiz. And here is my first question. Question is, this course is worth 3 credit hours, and in the case of the example that I used for this, the answer is yes. What is the total approximate instruction and preparation time per week? I'm going to put in the answer that the course takes approximately 111 hours per semester. And of course, typos. And I apologize, I'm going to do the math for a minute. So it's a 12-week course. I'll have 111 hours. It's about 9 hours per week. Okay, so I'm going to save that answer. I'm going to go, which of this following does not apply to this course? And the answer is assignment work is always allowed, and that's not true. Question 4 is, which of the following do students receive points for in this course? And the answer is multiple answers. Everything but the small group project. And I will save my answer there. I'm going to save and submit the test. Then I'm going to go to my grades. No, course content. Okay, so here I am. There we go, the demo quiz. It needs to be graded by the instructor, and so I'm in the student view. And so the student, when it was graded, would find the instructions here. Hopefully I did that correctly this time. I came out of student view again. There it is. Okay, there's the demo quiz in student view. And it's not graded yet because I did not grade my own quiz. So hopefully that's what you wanted to see. If not, please let me know. There's a lot teaching this course. I have another job in addition to teaching the course and taking this course at the same time. So I apologize if it seems a bit rushed getting through all of this. I do want to learn, but it's sometimes hard to fit everything in. So please let me know if I did this right this time, and thank you.